Hello, and in this upcoming section, you'll learn strategies to move a customer through each stage of the marketing funnel. We'll start with an overview of the customer persona, which is a representation of an ideal customer for a business. You'll also learn how to research and create multiple personas. Then, you'll get an overview of the marketing funnel. This is a step-by-step approach on how to attract customers who may not know about a brand and its products and services and turn them into repeat customers and brand advocates. We'll review the first stage of the funnel, which is the awareness stage. This section is all about strategies to get customers introduced to the brand. Then we'll discuss the second funnel stage, consideration. This stage is all about building interest in potential customers. After that, we'll cover conversion. At this stage of the funnel, customers are ready to make a purchase. We need to build their trust so they become paying customers. And finally, we'll discuss the loyalty stage. This is when you have paying customers and are encouraging them to become repeat customers and brand advocates. You'll also read through several case studies on how businesses apply these strategies for each stage of the marketing funnel. We have a lot to cover over the next several videos. Are you ready? Great. Let's get started.